Welcome to our first episode of Cosplay Cooking. Today we're going to take you through a baking tutorial using this book, Bake It. And today we're going to be baking butter cookies with a special theme.
Yes, in honor of May the 4th, we are dressed up in a Star Wars themed costume today.
Yes, and we are going to be using some of these Star Wars shapes. We're going to be making Star Wars cookies. So, May the 4th be with you. After preheating oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to put the sugar, flour, and butter into a large bowl and rub them together until the mixture looks like fine breadcrumbs. Next, add the egg yolk and vanilla extract and bring the mixture together into a dough. Put the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead it briefly until smooth. You're going to want to roll the dough out to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. If it's still too sticky, chill it for 15 minutes and try again. Next, you're going to use the cookie cutter, here we're using Star Wars cookie cutters, to cut out the cookies and place them on non-stick baking sheets. Finally, you're going to bake for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Leave the cookies to cool until just firm. Then you can move them to a wire rack or parchment paper to cool completely. And then enjoy!